Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today what we're going to be making is a bookmark for your book. So what you're first off going to do is get a 6 by 6 inch paper, or get a origami paper. It's a 6 by inch. It's 6 by 6 inches. Okay, so we're going to start by folding it into a triangle. So just fold this corner to this corner, just like that. Okay, so after you did that, you're gonna fold this corner up. Do it with the other side. Okay, now open the corners and fold only one side down to the bottom right here, which is the connection. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is tuck these two corners under the flap or the pocket that we just made by folding this down. So just like this. Okay. Now do this with the other side. Okay, and that's pretty much it. So you can just like grab your book or something and just like put it in, just like I have this Captain America book. I have a lot of bookmarks right here. Just like on here, put the bookmark right here. And that's it. And then you're gonna come back and be like, okay, where was I? Oh, wait. Oh, right here. Okay. And just read and read until you finish it, or just not finish it. Just keep reading. Okay, so what else you can do with it is like try to make a face or something. Like what you can do is like put like eyes right here, like, and like here like a mouth, like make a minion or tiger or something. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and make sure to like, comment down below, and make sure to smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you later, guys. Bye.